It can be really frustrating if you want to play one of your favorite games on your PlayStation 4 and you get an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PlayStation 4 error code that comes up as NP-31730-4. First, let's try one of the easiest and quickest methods to try and fix your PlayStation. Unplug the power source from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now be patient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from powering down your PlayStation, so make sure that you try this method. If it works, great. If not, then let's move on to the next method. Second, let's make sure that you're getting internet to your PlayStation. So let's do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi. Find your router that is giving you internet and unplug that for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. When it reconnects, check your PlayStation then. If it doesn't work, then let's go ahead and move on to the last method. With this particular error code, it means that you're signed out of the PlayStation Network and you're trying to use a feature that is reliant on the PlayStation Network login. So to fix this, you need to log back into your PlayStation Network. You're going to do this by going over to the PlayStation Network and select Settings, then PSN, and then Sign in to PSN. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.